Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to show system tracing categories on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. Here in settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and find the developer options. And the developer options is not show or turn off. To show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is go to about phone. Here in about phone, scroll down and go to build number. And okay guys, to show or turn on the developer options, you'll have to do is tap the build number 7 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are now a developer. And okay guys, go back and you can see the developer options here in system settings. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to developer options. Here in developer options, scroll down and go to debugging section. Here in debugging section, okay, scroll down and below you can see the system tracing. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to system tracing. Here in system tracing, you can see the categories. And okay guys, you'll have to do to show the categories is tap this and the pop-up are show. Okay, here you can see the all categories available on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, you can enable or disable the category by tap the square on the left side of this one of this category. So you can tap the square to check, and okay, you can check all of this category, and you can uncheck again by tap the square on the left side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully show system tracing categories on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.